Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the charcoal filter in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top grille. Pull the grille down from the top to detach. Lift up the front of the filter you're replacing and pull forward to remove. Install the new charcoal filter by sliding it over the tabs, then push the front down to snap it into place. Before you reinstall the top grille, make sure the 2 support clips are in place. Now align the grille tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grille into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.